I'm not really sure how to begin this story, this trip that I just went on. There's definitely something uniquely special about doing stuff like this by yourself. All you do is think. All you do is, you're just in your own mind, you're in your own space. You just do whatever you want at any time. If I want to take this road, I take this road. I don't talk to anybody. I don't run that decision by anybody. I don't do anything that I don't want to do. And I agree, it sounds a little selfish when you describe it that way, but that is what makes solo travel pretty frickin' cool. I've been on the road for 32 days across 8 states and about 5,000 miles. There we go. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Oh, it looked like another brown. It's not easy to go to places you've never fished before and to try to figure it out. So far in this trip, I had done really well. I'd lost a lot of fish, but I'd also landed a lot of really good fish. Once again, I found myself in a place that I wanted to stay forever, but I wanted to move on. I wanted to see more and more and more. So I packed up the trailer, and it was off to Missoula. Good morning. Day one fishing out of the Missoula area. Apparently, Missoula is experiencing a very unusually extreme early summer. It's unusually hot here, and that combined with a poor snow year is no bueno for the fishing season. I'm a little late to the game. The rivers are already really low, and it's already really hot. Guys at the fly shop said that they're even going to shut down the fishing season really soon. So I made it just in time, although it definitely would have been nice to be here a few weeks ago. But that's okay. I was fishing elsewhere. But Missoula has a lot of fishing options that are within striking distance, and I might not be able to fish some of the classics that I hope to, but I'm still going to find fishing around here. I'm going to start off at this place here. Unlike the Madison and the Missouri that everybody knows about them, there's countless articles and thousands of YouTube videos about them, and that's why I had no problem just saying their names and saying where I was. This place was recommended to me by a friend, and so out of respect to my friend Zach, I'm gonna not say where I am. However, coincidentally, it was recommended to me by the fly shop as well, so it's obviously no secret either, but I'm still not gonna say the name of it. Let's just call it a beautiful little river near and around Missoula. Just got my first rise. Came up and bumped it. Just a false charge, I think. But fish came up. Oh, I missed him. I was late on that one. That was definitely a rise. I don't think he took it though. I think it was another bump. I don't think they're big fish either, but that was still... I missed him. Well, first two spots, nothing. Well, that's not true. I got two that came up and looked at it, but I feel like I've presented a really good fly so far this morning. Not that one, that was terrible. But I've been nice and stealthy, and I've been landing softly, and I've been getting nice drifts. I've been doing everything right, I think. Just haven't found them yet. Oh, he rose on it, and I don't think I missed it. I don't think he actually took it. Yes! Yes, 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 yes. Oh, stay on. Oh, all right. Not a big one, but got him on the dry. I was actually gonna, this isn't the main section, I was actually just crossing this, and as I was crossing it, I'm looking at this and I'm looking up here, I'm like, this is great water. So I threw some casts up there, got one. Let's see what I got. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. I might need to fish. I might need to fish the rest of this before I even cross. Yeah. Pretty fast water, but I think I got him pretty good. Come on, what are ya? You are... I don't know what you are. Maybe a Western Cutty? I think it, yeah, that's a cutthroat. That's what you are. You are a fun little West Slope cutthroat. Yeah, let's let you go back where you came from. There you go. Woo! All right, on the board. On the board. Yeah, this, I was just gonna cross, but this is great little water right here. I'll bet you I can get more out of this. Oh man, I'm beat. That was my first bad day of fishing. Well, morning anyways. It's only noon. Day is still young, but that river didn't pan out. It was a lot of work too, a lot of trekking. I got that one first thing in the morning, and then I fished for 6 hours, and I got one little whitefish. That was it. I'm bummed too, because I feel like it's beautiful water and it looks really good, and I know there's fish in there, and I feel like I was presenting the fly really well, putting it in the right spots. I just couldn't get any takes, but I might go find a lake. All right. Yeah. Got one already. Yeah, I parked right in these weeds. That was dumb. That was stupid of me. I don't know if I still got the fish on or not. That was stupid of me. But I got to fish that quickly, which is pretty freaking awesome. Do I still have the fish? That'd be crazy if I still have the fish. Pretty confident I don't have the fish, but I can't believe I got one that quick. Everyone was telling me how horrible it's gonna be. Got one in 10 minutes. Alright, but that was stupid. Oh, yes, I think I got it. Alright, lost the fish, but at least I got my gear. Okay, let's try this again. Yeah, those guys are laughing at me. So, I intentionally parked myself on this weed bed here to try to make myself more stealthy, but it backfired on me because I hooked a fish and immediately lost him in those weeds. But 10 minutes of fishing and I hooked a fish. That fish actually took the nymph while I was bringing it in. I was actually kind of stripping it unintentionally. Yes! Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, all right. Yeah! Woohoo! Is this gonna be a good evening of fishing or what? Oh, yeah. Oh! Not big, but hey, these guys are fighters. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. So there's supposed to be a crazy moth hatch that comes off at like 8:30, 9 o'clock. And all I keep hearing is, until then, it's not really worth fishing, but I've only been fishing 30 minutes, not even 30 minutes, 20 minutes, and I have my second fish now. Yeah, this guy's putting up a heck of a fight. I mean, I already saw him. He's not huge, but he is fighting. Can't go to the weeds, buddy. Yeah. Dude, I'll take these all day. I'll take you all day. Yep, we are on the board. Oh, and I love it when the fly just pops right out for you. Makes it nice and easy. All right, let's let you go. Let's get you out of here, buddy. Huh? I'll take it. I'll take it. Yes. Sweet. Beautiful lake. Unbelievable scenery. I really wasn't expecting much. I had a real rough morning. The rivers didn't produce for me. So I punted and I found some still water. Not monsters. They do get a lot bigger in here though. But I've only been fishing for 20 minutes and I already got my second one. So if we keep going at this rate, I'm cool. Yep. Oh, I missed him. That was definitely a fish, and I missed him. I keep getting real subtle. I think they're just, I've had like 3 times where my indicator has just barely moved. That one was definitely a grab though. I missed it. I feel like I said it in time. I don't know how I missed it. Well, they can't all be great days. Today was not a great day. I fished a lot of hours. I fished about 11 hours today for 4 fish.
The lake gave me high hopes. Literally within minutes of getting out there, I caught fish, and I got quite a bit of action in the first 30 minutes of fishing out there, and then just nothing the rest of the night. Oh well. I guess today was just more of a scenic, sightseeing, long drive through beautiful country. It was still a nice day. Missoula, of course, is a famous fishing town. It's where a river runs through. It was filmed. Everybody knows it. Unfortunately, I got there a little too late. It was one of those scenarios of, oh, you should have been here 2 weeks ago. I struggled in Missoula. The famous rivers I wasn't able to fish because of the conditions. I was planning on staying there for at least 3 nights, but after 2 nights, it was time to go. I decided my time in Montana was done and it was off to Idaho. This is where the trip got rugged.